Hello everyone, I'm Marina from PolyGCSE. We're going to introduce you to scalar and vector quantities today. By the end of the video, you should be able to state the definitions of scalar and vector quantities, distinguish whether quantities are scalars or vectors, give some examples of these quantities, and interpret scale diagrams. Imagine you are driving from Edinburgh to London for an Ed Sheeran concert. From this diagram, you can see that this straight line from Edinburgh to London has a length of around 332 miles. The straight line route from one location to another is called displacement, which is a vector quantity. Vector quantities gives you two pieces of information. They have a quantity, or magnitude, and a direction. In this route, the magnitude is 332 miles, and the direction is approximately southeast. Realistically, it is impossible to take such a direct and straight line route. This is because roads are not straight. Traveling through curved roads increases the total distance traveled substantially. You're going to take the blue route instead. The journey is 396 miles, 64 miles more than a straight line. It is going to take you a little less than 7.5 hours. This length is called distance, which is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantities have magnitude only, without direction. The magnitude of distance is 396 miles. Now have a think. You decided to take a slight detour to Hull on your way to London. How's the total distance from Edinburgh to London going to change? And how's the total displacement going to change? Pause this video to have a go at it. The total distance increases, but the displacement remains the same. Distance is the length of the route traveled, and taking this detour makes the actual distance driven longer compared to the original route. The displacement is a straight line route from London to Edinburgh, which remains the same, no matter which route you take. Scalar and vector quantities are not just distance and displacement. You are in fact using a lot of them in your daily life. Common scalar quantities include distance, speed, mass, energy, density, power, time, etc. Vector quantities can include displacement, velocity, force, acceleration, and pressure. We may represent vectors using scale diagrams. A vector quantity can be shown by an arrow. The length of the arrow represents the magnitude, and the direction of the arrow represents which way the vector is acting towards. For instance, in this scale diagram, the magnitude of the force is the length of the arrow, 10 centimeters, which is converted to 10 newtons, and the direction of the arrow is upwards. You can find more videos on other topics on our website, polygcse.org. Thanks for watching and see you next time.